7 Sigma Off-Grid.
Alright guys, we made an attempt to come up here this weekend, hoping that everything was dry, but it looks like the ground is still wet, and so we are in the van. My husband's going to check to see if the van will get up that hill with the soft ground. We have another side that we could possibly go, but we can't enter on that side because Cliff showed us that there was a huge rut in the road, and so we can't go on the other side. What's the status?
Try.
You gonna try it?
Why not?
Okay, okay.
I'm a butthole relaxed.
We made it.
It's been a week. Need to dry. Great. Jump that barbed wire like it was nothing.
Yep.
Like whoop.
So we're here in the van, and
Ain't you tired of it?
I am. We're gonna attempt to try to get up this driveway again for the third time.
I said we don't.
Huh?
I said we don't.
You say we don't what?
Just walk.
Yeehaw! Not hee-haw.
I already got stuck.
Hee-haw, right? We're going for it.
I'm just looking at the same spot. Big dog.
All right. We're making progress.
Just gun it.
All right, we did it.
That's gonna be the funny part right here. Gotta move it a little waddle.
Oh. Well, at least we made it up here. Well,
She ain't got no mics.
at least we made it up. We made it up.
She ain't got no mics. I'll give her a pass. She got a headache. She got woman problems.
I do not have women problems, and it's not there. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So we made it up. We had a little scare there because we didn't think we was gonna make it up the driveway.
You didn't think I was gonna make it.
Well,
I knew I was gonna make it.
since he says he knew he was gonna make it,
Superman.
I didn't think we were gonna make it. And so this weekend we are ready to get started. We do have sunny skies for another 2 weeks, so we're very happy about that. It's not gonna be too cold. It's around 55, so it's pretty comfortable. A little windy, but comfortable enough for us to work and get some things done and try to catch up from the times that we weren't able to get things done. One of the things that we want to get done, or that we are going to get done, is finally placing some rocks down.
We're dropping rock today.
We're dropping rocks this weekend, today.
It's a little damp, but whatever.
We probably won't get to the road base. Are you going to do road base? Or just rock?
I don't know. I might just do a section, thick rock, put some road base, compact it. I don't know. I'll wing it.
Okay. Well, we're going to wing it, see what happens. And what else are you trying to get done this weekend?
I installed that other camera.
Oh, we have another camera. So I do want to say that our camera has been working pretty good for us. It's been fun seeing all the wildlife. We've seen coyote, we've seen deer, of course, because they live around here. We realize we do have a coyote that lives either under our house.
Live around here.
He lives around here somewhere. So he lives either under the house or by the shipping container. But he does live around here, and he's a small coyote. Maybe my husband can pull up some footage.
Yeah, I'll pull it some footage.
To show you that. And of course, deer, we have seen that. And we also seen this little,
crazy, like kangaroo mouse.
it's like a kangaroo mouse.
Small, but kind of hot. It's very weird. Big enough to trigger the motion detector, so it
Yeah.
wasn't a little mouse. It was kind of like a hoppity mouse.
So that's been interesting. So we're going to actually install another camera this weekend as well, and then do some miscellaneous things on the land.
Like lay rock.
Like lay rock, because that's the main thing, is to lay some rock. But also do some miscellaneous things on the land.
Like lay rock.
I think we've already told them that we were going to lay rock.
Miscellaneous, you You talking about we're gonna lay rock?
Okay, we're gonna lay rock, obviously. That's what he wants to do.
That's all we're talking about.
Is lay rock.
Y'all want to see something else? Too bad. We laying rock.
See, you're gonna run everybody away. Y'all don't leave. Don't leave just because we're gonna lay rock.
We got a special surprise. We're gonna do something we ain't gonna tell you about. You just gotta tune in on Saturday to see what it is. How about that?
Yeah. So tune
Must not do
in.
Nothing but just lay rock.
Oh my God. So tune in on Saturday to see what all we actually do on the land. Maybe we'll get to
Laying rock.
our garden area, maybe, because all he wants to do is lay rock. So
Yeah.
we'll see if
lay that rock.
if we're able to get to the garden area. I'm getting you off. So anyway, guys,
And we're caught up. So what you see on Saturday is now back to what it was a week behind.
yay, we're caught up. You guys are caught up. So we're starting the new year off on the right foot, and we are refreshed. We are ready to go with some projects this year, but we hope you guys join us on Saturday to see what we do. And thank you for joining us, and we will see you on Saturday. Bye.
7 Sigma. Off-grid.